How to fix the TWRP recovery error run on the Poco X3 Pro Indian variant codenamed bhima. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and of recent I've been getting a lot of comments about error run on the Indian variant of the Poco X3 Pro, which is codenamed bhima, when you're flashing ROMs through TWRP. So how do you fix that? Well, for starters, let me give you a small history of why you're getting the error. So if you're using TWRP recovery right now to flash ROMs on the Indian variant of the Poco X3 Pro, you are getting error 1 because the Poco X3 Pro has two variants. One is the international one, the other one is the Indian one. The international one is codenamed Vayu. The Indian one is codenamed bhima. So they have two separate code names, and whenever the developer compiled TWRP for the Poco X3 Pro, the code name bhima was not used, which is why you are getting error 1 specifically when you're flashing Xiaomi EU or stock MIUI ROMs on your Indian variant of the Poco X3 Pro. So what is the fix for that? Now do note I have the global variant of the Poco X3 Pro, so I won't be able to give you a live demo, but the fix is as easy as flashing OrangeFox recovery for now. And I know some of you prefer to use TWRP, but right now the only solution is to use OrangeFox. Now I do have TWRP installed on my device right now, so here it is. Let me turn off my device and then press and hold volume up and power button at the same time till I see the recovery logo. So I'm going to show you how you can change your recovery from TWRP to OrangeFox. And here it is. We are booting into TeamWin or TWRP recovery, and we have booted. The touch drivers do take some time to load. Here it is. We are not able to access the internal storage because our device is encrypted, and this is an issue with TWRP and your OrangeFox as well. Now because you're unable to access your internal storage, you will of course need either a micro SD card or a USB OTG. So I am using a USB OTG right now, and on this USB OTG I do have my image file for OrangeFox, which is again linked in the description of the video. So let me go into install, choose select storage. Here I have three different options: internal storage, micro SD and USB OTG. Let us choose USB OTG and then select OK. So here it is. These are the contents of the USB OTG. Now all you need to do is select the folder wherein you have your OrangeFox image file. In my case, it is in the X3 Pro factory folder. But before that, make sure that install image at the bottom is selected. So let me select install image. There it is. You can see, and it changed to install zip, which means that install image is now active. Let us go into the X3 Pro factory folder, and here I have the OrangeFox, and for TWRP I have TWRP image. Ignore the underscore files, they are for my time machine backup on macOS. So all you need to do is select this OrangeFox, and then on the next screen select recovery and then swipe to confirm flash. Now once this is done, tap on the home button, reboot, and on the next screen select recovery. If you get the message of no OS installed on TWRP, don't worry, just swipe to reboot. And there it is. We are now booting into OrangeFox. Again, OrangeFox also does not have access to your internal storage to flash your ROMs, your Xiaomi EUs, and your stock MIUI. You would of course again need access to either a USB OTG or micro SD, and you should now be able to flash your stock MIUI or your Xiaomi EU. Of course, installed videos can be found in the description of the video. Now next thing, what if you want to go back to TWRP? So again, files tab, select USB OTG, go to the folder where you have your TWRP image file, in my case X3 Pro factory. Select the TWRP image, and on the next screen select recovery and then swipe to flash. Now as you can see, I am getting some errors in OrangeFox as well, and most of those are because it is not able to access the data partition because of encryption issues. So again, once the install flash or image flash has completed, there it is, no errors, reboot to recovery, and we should be back in our TWRP. Of course, feel free to disconnect your USB OTG in case you want to, and there it is, we are back in TWRP, and There it is, peeps, just a small video showing you how to fix the error 1 on your Indian variants of the Poco X3 Pro when flashing stock MIUI or Xiaomi EU, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.